Danny the Digger's dug out a big trench in the soil to build a new road. Here's Dylan the dump truck. He's dropping off a load of stones and rubble to put on top of the soil to make the road strong. Dylan, please can you dump the rubble there so that Danny can scoop it into the trench? Dylan's a very helpful vehicle on the construction site. Now that he's helped Danny the Digger, he can now take away all these old broken blocks that Ryan has smashed down. Mia, can you help to lift the blocks onto Dylan's dump bed, please? Dylan's a very strong vehicle, so he can carry a lot of heavy things around. Dylan has 2 hydraulic pistons, which push his dump bed up into the air, so that he can quickly dump his load onto the ground. Just like that. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Something's gone wrong, and Dylan can't lower his dump bed again. Dylan, you better come to Gecko's garage right away. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. I hope Dylan can get under the door frame with his dump bed stuck like that. Hello Dylan, you made it through okay. Drive onto the platform so that we can take a good look at you. This is Dylan's dump bed, where he carries heavy loads. And these are his hydraulic pistons, which are super powerful. They push the end of the dump bed up into the air so that the load can slide out quickly. Those pistons look damaged. They won't let the dump bed come down again. I'll get the mechanicals to swap them for new ones. Go, go mechanicals! Oh dear, if the mechanicals remove the broken pistons, then the dump bed will fall down and squash them flat. What can we do? I know! This looks like a job for Super Mechanical. Go, go, Super Mechanical! Poor old Dylan the dump truck. No wonder he's wearing a frown. He can't bring his friends the things they need when his dump bed won't go down. Super Mechanical holds him steady while the others make him good as new. And now they've swapped his pistons. Let's see what he can do. Dylan's loaded up with tarmac. We repaired him and he's thrilled. He's driving to see Danny. There's a road they have to build. Danny's finished the base layer of the road, and now they just need to add the tarmac. Dylan, can you slowly pour the tarmac out, please? Brilliant! Your hydraulics are working perfectly now. That's looking good. I think it's time for our other friends to help out. Here comes Rick the road roller to roll the road flat. Great work, Rick. Now the road is flattened, it just needs its lines painting. And look, here comes Sid the skid loader. He has a line painting attachment. What a nice straight line he's painting. Well done, Sid. That looks brilliant. Now the road's finished, we need someone to test it out. Here comes Bobby the bus. He's very big. If the road can take his weight, then it must be really strong. Looking good. Great job, everyone. Bobby's heading off to Gecko's garage to help Helen the helicopter.
Dylan, dump our truck. duck with 6 giant wheels so he won't get stuck. When driving round the quarry, he's like no other lorry, Dylan the dumper truck. You won't see him on an ordinary road, he's far too big, he carries too much load. When he needs to dump it, his back lifts up to lump it, Dylan the dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck, oh yeah! Eric and Dylan are 2 best mates. They work all day from morning till late, loading up the rubble, the heavyweight's no trouble, Dylan the dumper truck. He's made of thick metal all around, and this keeps the driver safe and sound. To get into the cabin, a ladder's there to climb in, Dylan the dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck, oh yeah! Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck, oh yeah! Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck. Dylan, dumper truck, oh yeah!
Hello everyone! Trevor the tractor's going to be visiting the garage today. He works down at Number Farm, helping Farmer George with lots of important jobs. Oh Trevor, you do look a mess. I'm glad you came to see us, so that we can fix all of your problems. Go, go, mechanicals! You really work hard on the farm, don't you, Trevor? But you do need to look after yourself properly. Your plough is all bent out of shape. How did it get like that? In the spring, Trevor ploughs the farmer's fields to get the soil ready for planting. He pulls a big plough behind him. It looks like hard work. Oh dear, those large rocks have really bashed up the plough. Then Trevor helps to sow the seeds. He pulls another machine that throws the seeds out onto the ploughed soil. Now that the mechanicals have repaired the plough, they need to take a look at your poor trailer. How did that get so broken? In the summer, Trevor spreads fertilizer on the crops to help them grow big and strong. Trevor also helps to harvest the farmer's delicious red apples from the orchard. That trailer looks very heavy and full. I think there's too many apples in there. Ah, so that's how the trailer got broken. There, your trailer's as good as new. Now, what about this giant scratch on your paintwork? What happened there? In the autumn, when the crops are ready to be harvested, Trevor uses his harvesting attachment to chop and gather all of the lovely golden wheat, ready to be made into breakfast cereal and flour. Oh no, this tree has fallen over in an autumn storm. Trevor the tractor's so strong that he can drag the tree out of the road so that everyone can get to where they need to go. Look out for that branch. Oh no, it's scratched his lovely red paintwork. A quick respray and your paintwork's as good as new. Now, why does your engine sound so grumpy? In the winter, Trevor has to drive through the snow to take bales of hay to feed the horses. Trevor also goes out onto the country lanes to help cars in the snow. Poor Sophie is stuck in a snowdrift. Trevor clears the heavy snow from the road with his snowplow, and then pulls Sophie up the hill. No wonder his engine sounds poorly after all that heavy work. There, the mechanicals have fixed up your engine, resprayed your paintwork, repaired your broken trailer, and pulled your plough back into shape. After all those seasons, you just needed a bit of maintenance. But now you're as good as new, and ready for spring, summer, autumn, and winter on the farm all over again. See you again soon, Trevor. I'm glad we could help Trevor with all his problems. He should come and see us more often. Thanks for visiting us today. Bye! Here comes Trevor the tractor. He's always so busy down on the farm.
Plough, plough the fields all day, move those crops and bales of hay. And when your work's all done, it's time to have some fun. Through the wind and rain and snow, there's work to do, you have to go. And when your work's all done, it's time to have some fun. Let me introduce you to my mighty friend called Trevor. He works hard down on the farm, he's also very clever. Farmer George's work is hard, so Trevor is there for him to move and shift those heavy loads. How did he manage before him? Plough, plough the fields all day, move those crops and bales of hay. And when your work's all done, it's time to have some fun. Through the wind and rain and snow, there's work to do, you have to go. And when your work's all done, it's time to have some fun. When springtime comes, he'll plough the fields and scatter seeds all day long. In summer, Trevor sprays those crops to help them grow big and strong. When summer turns to autumn time, the crops are there to harvest. It's Trevor's job to cut them down, so you can have your breakfast. Key change! Plough, plough the fields all day, move those crops and bales of hay. And when your work's all done, it's time to have some fun. Through the wind and rain and snow, there's work to do, you have to go. And when your work's all done, it's time to have some fun. La 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 la.
Ryan the Wrecking Ball crane is working on the construction site today. His job is to smash down old buildings using his big, heavy wrecking ball. Go, go, Ryan! Oh no, that wasn't supposed to happen. Your wrecking ball is lost in the river. Poor Ryan, you can't do your job without your wrecking ball. Come over to Gecko's garage right away. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Drive onto the platform and let's take a good look at you. It looks as if the wrecking ball wasn't attached properly. I'll get the mechanicals to find you a new one to try out. Go, go, mechanicals! They've found you a new wrecking ball. Now, let's see if you can smash this wall. Ooh, it may be strong and very shiny, but that ball is far too tiny. The second ball looks just the thing. Now give it an almighty swing. It's big and heavy and... oh wait, Ryan can't even hold it straight. The third attempt might smash the wall. It's not too big and not too small. But a glass wrecking ball, I fear, is not the cleverest idea. The fourth one's made of stronger stuff. I hope that it's strong enough. Oh dear, this wrecking ball's no good. We can't smash a solid wall with wood. Surely now these blocks will fall. With a rubber wrecking ball. Ryan swings it back, but no such luck. Look out, Mechanicals, quick! Duck! Ah, finally, the real deal. A wrecking ball that's made of steel. It's strong and heavy, not too small. One swing, and then it's... Bye-bye, wall! Fantastic! The Mechanicals have found the perfect wrecking ball for you, Ryan. And it's held on firmly, so you won't have any more accidents. Time to get you back to work at the construction site. I'm glad we could fix Ryan's wrecking ball. He has important work to do, smashing down old buildings so that his friends can build new ones. And now he has the right tool for the job.
If you're happy and you know it, fly around. If you're happy and you know it, fly around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, fly around. Watch out, Ryan! If you're happy and you know it, knock it down. If you're happy and you know it, knock it down. Whoa! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, knock it down. Hey, Tilly! If you're happy and you know it, tow a car. If you're happy and you know it, tow a car. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tow a car. Woohoo! If you're happy and you know it, lift me up. If you're happy and you know it, lift me up. Whoa! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, lift me up. Woohoo! If you're happy and you know it, wave your arms. If you're happy and you know it, wave your arms. Ha ha! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, wave your arms. It's Andy. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail. Let's go, see ya! If you're happy and you know it, spin your drum. If you're happy and you know it, spin your drum. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, spin your drum. Go, Trevor! If you're happy and you know it, plough the fields. If you're happy and you know it, plough the fields. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, plough the fields. Larry the lorry! If you're happy and you know it, load it up. If you're happy and you know it, load it up. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, load it up.
All of my friends are having a great time playing with Max the monster truck at his stunt track. Everyone's getting covered in thick brown mud. I think it's time to get cleaned up. Max, Rebecca, Fiona, Danny, it's time to bring everyone over to Gecko's garage so that you can all get cleaned up in our car wash. How many yucky, mucky trucks and other vehicles are there? Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 muddy vehicles needing a wash. Let's start cleaning you all up. One at a time now, into the car wash. Biggest vehicle first. Here comes our biggest vehicle, the first to wash today. Ah, it's Larry the lorry. He's big and tall and grey. Who's the second vehicle? I don't know. Do you? Of course, it's Bobby the bus. Back to a purple hue. And third in line for cleaning, flashing lights upon her head. It's Fiona, the fabulous fire truck, shiny, strong and red. The fourth truck is so dirty, only her eyes can be seen. It's Rebecca, the recycling truck, with her paintwork bright and green. Do you know who the sixth one could be? Covered in gunk and goop. Ah, it's Danny the digger, with his enormous yellow scoop. The fifth truck has 4 giant wheels. He's really very mucky. It's Max, the orange monster truck. It's his fault they're all yucky. The seventh, with a mud-filled loudspeaker balanced on her head. That's right, it's Amber the ambulance. Now she's back to white instead. The eighth one through is smaller. Let's get his colour back. It's Tony the helpful taxi, with his paintwork glossy black. The ninth one is another car. At least that's what I think. It's Sophie the speedy sports car. What a lovely shade of pink. This last vehicle is the 10th we've seen. Let's make her good as new. It's Millie the motorbike on 2 wheels. A brilliant shade of blue. Everyone looks fantastic. Now you're all washed and clean, you can go back to your important jobs. Well, watch out for that muddy puddle. Uh-oh, too late. Oh dear, after my song about Bobby the bus, all of my other truck friends felt left out. So I decided to come up with a new song all about my amazing truck friends. Here we go. The wheels on the trucks go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the trucks go round and round, all day long. Hey Amber! The lights on the truck go flash, 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 flash. The lights on the truck go flash, 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 all day long. Caroline the crane! The crane on the back moves up and down, up and down, up and down. The crane on the back moves up and down, all day long. Hey, it's Max! Monster truck Max jumps 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Monster truck Max jumps 1, 2, 3, all day long. Good jumping! The hose on the truck, it puts out fires, puts out fires, puts out fires. The hose on the truck, it puts out fires, all day long. Way! The horn on the lorry goes honk, 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 honk. The horn on the lorry goes honk, 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 all day long. Nice horn! The ice cream truck will cool you down, cool you down, cool you down. The ice cream truck will cool you down, all day long. Yum, yum! The scoop on the digger goes dig, 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 dig. The scoop on the digger goes dig, 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 all day long. What a hole! The wheels on the trucks go round and round, round and
The wheels on the trucks go round and round all day long.